Sky High mascara just launched in a bunch of different colors, and I've only really seen the blue one being used, but I am more intrigued by the pink. I mean, yeah, I want to create a really pretty look to go with the pink mascara, and then of course try it out, the mascara, with you guys. Going in with the Cutesie Donut Collection palette, I'm gonna take this bright pink and lay it down in the crease. Then I'm gonna deepen it up with this just right here to match our eyebrows. You don't have to do that, of course, but I want to match. Never mind, it was this shade. I'm glad I remembered the shades I used. Then I'm just gonna go in with a warm brown on the rest of the eye, but leaving just a little bit of nothing in the middle because I want to put a nice shimmer there. And back to this palette, we are taking this shimmer and putting it down in the... Oh, that is so pretty. I didn't necessarily intend to do a halo eye, but I guess that's what we're working with. Let's do this pink glitter. Slightly dab it on. If you feel like you overdid it, you can just try and flick some right off. I'm going to do a small liner going out here. And if you guessed it, we are connecting this to over here. Filling that in with Tarte Fake Awake. Usually I would do glitter in here, but I'm instead gonna take some of my highlighter. And then smudging this out slightly with that brown. And lashes. Before we finish up the eyes, let's just add a bit of bronzer, blush, and such. For blush, I'm gonna use this bright pink again because I think it's gonna tie it together the best. Don't forget the nose! Spray time! Best part of the makeup routine. Now for highlighter, I wanna use this gorgeous Rose Gone Wild highlighter. Oof. Isn't that so stunning? Put some right here, and of course here. And on the cheeks. Finish off the wing. Time for the star of the show. Please be pretty as fuck. This is so underwhelming. Look at, you can barely see it. Come on, I need this to work. I put so much effort into looking cute. I really got my hopes up that this was gonna look magical, but what is this? What is this? Why can't I get it to show? I added some falsies with the mascara on this side. Can you tell? No? Neither. But I guess we got this far, so I might just do the other eye. Well, that's definitely disappointing, but it's gonna have to do it. Time to finish with a lip. I think I will go in with a Raisin by Max Factor. Actually, there is one more thing I do gotta do. I added some glitter the other day to a look, and it was just so cute. Like, it's subtle, but this gives the look a certain... Oh, have a look. Isn't that so pretty? I will not give up hope that this is good. Like, I do need to keep trying it because it might have just been that I had leftover goo on my lashes and that made it hard to use. Or it could just be that this formula sucks, but I really want to love it. You feel me? I think I'm done here. So, you know, see you next time.